Good morning. Last class we learned at the age of 21 Stephen Hawking was diagnosed with amyotrophic lateral sclerosis disease. Okay, now see next para. Eventually, however, doctors did diagnose means detection of a medical condition. Hawking with the early stage of ALS. It was devastating. Devastating means causing a severe shock. News for him and his family. Okay, it was great shock news for Stephen Hawking as well as his family. But a few events prevented him from becoming completely despondent. The first of these came while Hawking was still in the hospital. There he shared a room with a boy suffering from leukemia. Okay, leukemia means actually mature stage of cancer, chronic stage of cancer. Leukemia, a malignant progressive disease in which the bone marrow and the other blood forming organs produce increased numbers of abnormal white blood cells. Okay, actually malignant means mature stage of cancer or chronic stage of cancer. Leukemia already mentioned there, given meaning also. Okay, relative to what his roommate was going through, Hawking later reflected his situation seemed more tolerable. Not long after he was released from the hospital, Hawking had a dream that he was going to be executed. He said this dream made him realize that there were still things to do with his life. Okay, after seeing that boy, now Hawking also not lose hope. Okay, he thought there were still things to do with his life. Okay, next para. In a sense, Hawkins' disease helped him become the noted scientist he is today. Before the diagnosis, Hawking hadn't always focused on his studies. Before my condition was diagnosed, I had been very bored with life. He said there had not seemed to be anything worth doing. With the sudden realization that he might not even live long enough to earn his PhD, Hawking poured himself into his work and research. Now see, when he realized that he won't live for a long time, so at that time he got a motivation to concentrate all his hard work towards achieving his goal. So he concentrated to achieve his future plans and research. As physical control over his body diminished means made smaller or less, he had been forced to use a wheelchair by 1969. At last, doctor forced him to use a wheelchair by 1969. The effects of his disease started to slow down over time. However, Hawking's ever expanding career was accompanied by an ever worsening physical state. By the mid 1970s, the Hawking family had taken in one of Hawking's graduate students to help manage his care and work. Now his family members, they appointed one of graduate students to help manage his care and work. This means here Hawking's care and work. He could still feed himself and get out of bed, but virtually everything else required assistance. In addition, his speech had become increasingly slurred. Slurred means low, so that only those who knew him well could understand him. In 1985, he lost his voice for good following a tracheotomy. The resulting situation required 24-hour nursing care for the acclaimed physicist. Okay, now see here one question given. In the mid 1970s, what did the Hawkins family do? That page number 118, sixth line. The mid 1970s, the Hawking family had taken in one of Hawking's graduate students to help manage his care and work. And see one more question. Why was Hawking forced to use a wheelchair? See page number 118, second line. As physical control over his body diminished, he had been forced to use a wheelchair by 1969 till 1969. Now next para. It also put in peril Hawkins' ability to do his work. Peril means serious and immediate danger. The predicament caught the attention of a California computer programmer. Predicament means actually difficult situation or an unpleasant situation, who had developed a speaking program that could be directed by head or eye movement. The invention allowed Hawking to select words on a computer screen that were then passed through a speech synthesizer at the time of its introduction. Hawking, who still had use of his fingers, selected his words with a handheld clicker. Today, with virtually all control of his body gone. Actually, virtually means nearly or almost. Hawking directs the program through a cheek muscle attached to a sensor. See page number 116 there given, okay, how he used cheek muscle attached to a sensor. Sensor means a device which detects or measures a physical property and records, indicates or otherwise responds to it. Next para. Through the program and the help of assistants, Stephen Hawking has continued to write at a prolific rate. Okay, continued to write at a prolific rate. His work has included numerous scientific papers, of course, but also information for the non-scientific community. Now see, here one question given. What do Stephen Hawking works include? Second last para, third last line, page number 118. His work has included numerous scientific papers, of course, but also information for the non-scientific community. Next para. Hawking's health, of course, remains a constant concern, a worry that was heightened in 2009 when he failed to appear at a conference in Arizona because of a chest infection. In April, Hawking, who had already announced he was retiring after 30 years from the post of Lucasian Professor of Mathematics, okay, Lucasian Professor of Mathematics at Cambridge, was rushed to the hospital for being what university officials described as gravely ill, means seriously ill. It was later announced that he was expected to make a full recovery. He passed away on 14th March 2018. He wrote and gave several scientific lectures. Then also he breathed his last on 14th March 2018. Now see here one more question given. What remains a constant anxiety? Only you write Stephen Hawking's health. After that see the question. Remains a constant anxiety. Now see page number 119. Observe the timeline and search the occurrences according to it. Prepare a chart. Okay. Now see question given January 8, 1942. Right? Stephen Hawking was born. 1969 forced to use wheelchair. 1970 took in one of the Hawking's graduate students to help manage his care and work. 1985 lost his voice. 1988 publication of Hawking's first book, A Brief History of Time. Now see again 2001. The Universe in a Nutshell. 2005. A Briefer History of Time. 2009. Retired from the post of Lucasian Professor at Cambridge. Failed to appear at a conference in Arizona. 2010. The Grand Design. 2014. Life story of Hawking depicted in the film The Theory of Everything. Now see question number 2. Make a list of books written by Stephen Hawking. First, A Brief History of Time, 1988. What's in it? Topics covered. It gives the information of cosmology. It offered an overview of space, time, and the existence of God and the future. His contribution to the world. His books help to make science accessible. Next second, The Universe in a Nutshell, 2001. It offered more to cosmology's big theories. Gave his contribution to the world, okay? Gave more specified illustrations to the theories. Next book, A Briefer History of Time, 2005. It was the simplification of the original work and core concepts. Now his contribution to the world. It highlighted the newest developments in the field like string theory. Next book, The Grand Design, 2010. What's in it, okay? It explains the recent scientific thinking about the mysteries of the universe, like when and how did the universe begin? What do we exist? Why the universe exists? That all, okay? And his contribution to the world proposes a framework for discoveries in the answer to life, the universe, and everything else. Next, question number 3. Make a list of Hawking's physical inabilities after 1963. Diagnosed with ALS. Physical control over his body diminished. Use of wheelchair. Speech became slurred. He lost his voice. Chest infection.